Hi everyone and welcome. I've got something really exciting to share with you this summer. Over the next 6 weeks, I'm going to be taking you on a summer family history adventure. Whether you've never researched your family before, you've got a few names scribbled on a piece of paper, or you've been tracing your ancestors for years, these videos are designed to help you discover the stories hidden in your own family tree. Because family history isn't just about names and dates, it's about real people. People who laughed, worried, worked hard, travelled, fell in love, raised families, and lived through extraordinary moments in history. And those stories deserve to be remembered. Throughout the summer, I'll be sharing a series of short, practical videos here on my page. Each one will introduce a new family history mission that you can complete in your own time. Some missions will show you how to find your first ancestors. Some will help you make sense of historical records. Others will encourage you to talk to relatives, explore old maps, visit places connected with your family, or uncover stories that have been waiting to be told. Each mission is designed to be manageable, enjoyable, and suitable whether you've got 20 minutes to spare or an afternoon to immerse yourself in the past. But I'd love this to be more than just a series of videos. I'd love it to become a community. So after each mission, I'd love you to share what you've discovered in the comments. Maybe you found an ancestor with an unusual occupation. Perhaps you've uncovered a photograph you've never seen before. Perhaps you've solved a family mystery that puzzled everyone for years. Or perhaps you've simply had a wonderful conversation with a grandparent that might never have happened otherwise. Every discovery is worth celebrating. I've also created a dedicated discussion thread where you can ask questions on my Facebook page. If you're a child doing this, let your grown up do that. But share your successes, compare notes with other family historians, and hopefully help each other when you come across those inevitable big brick walls. One of the things I love most about family history is that every record opens another door. One certificate leads to another person. One census reveals another story. One photograph sparks a memory that might otherwise have been lost forever. Before you know it, you're not just building a family tree, you're discovering where you come from. You're preserving stories for future generations. And you're creating something your children, grandchildren, and wider family will treasure for years to come. So, if that sounds like something you'd enjoy, I'd love you to join me. Follow the page so you don't miss a mission. Invite anyone in your family who might enjoy taking part. And don't forget to join in with the conversations along the way. Our first family history mission will be coming tomorrow, and I can't wait to start this adventure with you. I'll see you in that first video. Happy researching.